Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. In this video I will be teaching you how to do spot trading on Binance. And before I delve into the video, I would like to tell you the importance of spot trading. Now, spot trading enables you to set your price and go and relax. You may want to buy at a particular price. You set your price, you relax. As soon as the price get to that point, the trade will be automatically executed. And if you also want to sell, you can also set the price. Then when the price reach your set target, it will be executed. So the importance of this is that you don't need to sit down and begin to monitor the market. You can just set the price and go and attend to other things. And why this spot trading is also important is that in case you are dealing with cryptos that are volatile, so it is very important that you set your price and you realize when you come back, you will notice that you have already made profit. You can do it in the morning, go to your office. When you come back, you notice that you have already made profit. So that is how to go. And also, I want to encourage you, if you are new to InfoDem, to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, because I'll be dropping more of this type of video that will educate you on how to trade crypto. So that is why it is important that you subscribe to InfoDem. Another thing I want to chip in is that if you are new to cryptocurrency trading, I want to encourage you. It's a very simple technique. What do? You buy when the price is down. As you can see, when you see red, when you go to loss now, you see all these ones are down presently. Their prices are down. As you can see, you see this, the first one here, it has gone down by 19.92%. This is the right time to buy. When you buy, you wait till when the price go up. You can set your price limit, then you go and relax. When you set your price limit, it can be there for weeks, it can be there for months. Doesn't matter. Whenever the price reach that limit, it will be executed automatically. So buy when the price is down, then sell when the price is high. That is the logic. But if you want to hold your coin, don't mind whether the price is down or is up. Just buy your coin and keep it for a period of time, which is very, very advisable. The reason why I say it's advisable is that if you look at all these coins, I want to show you something that will encourage you to invest on a long time basis. Let me just pick one coin here. Okay, for example, let me pick this coin. This coin in 2021 was $0.0007 per one. Now what is the price? You can see the price now in 4 years. Look at the price, 0.02. Come to think of it, if you had invested, let's say $100 in this coin in 2021, now you should have nothing less than 15 million in your account. So that is why long time investment in crypto space is also good and is very, very important. And right now, you know, if you are from Nigeria, you can invest in crypto even with your naira, as little as even 1,000 naira. So you can start investing in crypto. If you don't know how to go about that, I did a video. You can go to the description box of this video. You will see the link of the video on how you can invest your naira in cryptocurrency, how to buy cryptocurrencies with your naira. So that is it. If you check almost all the coins, you will notice that if you had invested in them 2, 3, 4 years ago, by now you would have been a big man, you have been a millionaire. So that is it. So let us go straight to the business of the day. So the next thing you want to do, if you have gotten your Binance, you have done all the necessary registration, how to go into spot trading, you come to trade here. As you can see down here, after you have deposited your money, you have your cash there in your wallet, then you click trade here. As you can see, trade there. Up here you see buy, then you see sell. So now if you want to buy crypto, all you need to do is to type the amount that you want to use to buy here, as in the amount in dollars. For example, let's say I want to buy this Trump. I want to buy the one 20,000, I mean $20 worth of Trump. Then I type 20. As you can see, this is the unit that I will buy at the end of the day. This is the unit that I will buy at the end of the day. Now the same thing, if the price has not gotten to, I can now change the price. Right now, this is, I want to buy at the rate of 27.71, and right now if you can see the price here is 27.99. So say I want to buy at this price, and I pray and I come down and click buy. When I click buy, I will wait, I will just leave it. When the price come down to this 27.71, automatically I will buy it. That is for that. Now if I have bought it and I want to sell it, the same process, I'll come here and click sell. When I click sell, I can now say, okay, I bought this thing at the rate of 27, I want to sell it 30. I will come here and put $30. Then I come down here and click sell. Immediately I click sell, the order will be created. And anytime, whether I'm sleeping or I'm at work, that the price reach $30, immediately the order will be executed and the money will be credited into my account. That is how to participate or how to do spot trading on Binance. In my subsequent video, I'll be showing you how to convert your coin directly. If you don't want to go through this stress, you want to do it sharp, I'll be showing you how to convert your coin directly to any coin, your USDT to any coin, or your coin to USDT. I'll be teaching you how to do that. So I want to say congratulations to you, because now you can do spot trading on Binance. I want to encourage you to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to InfoDem. Until I see you in my next video, I say be good.